Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another what I ate in a day, mostly because I'm just happy to be eating whole solid foods again. Last week I had a bad incident with some protein powder. Let me know if that's ever happened to you. It just made me incredibly sick. Yeah, so happy to say that I'm feeling a lot better and I just want to eat, you know, nice food again. So that's what we're gonna do today. We'll see what I end up making. For breakfast, since I wasn't feeling well last week, I've been trying to get in probiotics as much as possible. So I kind of just went for your basic yogurt cup. I really like the kind by So Delicious. You have to kind of give it a stir and then it won't be so gelatinous. But if you have any other favorite vegan yogurts, please let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, then I just top it with cinnamon, flaxseed, hemp hearts, and a little bit of blueberries for extra antioxidants, just so that I can keep feeling my best. And then what would I be without coffee? Absolutely nothing. Coffee is everything. It is the blood in my veins. So I went for espresso this morning with my Nespresso machine. I went to my, ride or die, go true Oatly, and then I've been really trying to test out nut pods again. They don't really froth that well, but I find that if you mix them, then it's perfect. And yeah, so just kind of a little mid-morning latte break. Really, really satisfying. For lunch, I really wanted to use up these leftover king oyster mushrooms that I've had, and one of my go-to things right now is just kind of these like throwback summer dishes. So I've been really enjoying turning these mushrooms into pulled pork. If you just run your fork down the length of them, it kind of shreds itself, and it's just so easy. And then once you have all that together, I like also doing the caps because it looks like a little bit of like those little burnt end pieces. And once you have all that finished, you can just transfer it onto a lined sheet tray. And I seasoned mine with shawarma spice. I'm just also really loving that spice right now, but it could be anything. It could be garlic powder or paprika. And then you just put it into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. While that was baking, I decided to sneak a bite or two of this cookie dough. The recipe's by Six Vegan Sisters. Oh, I just really wanted some cookie dough. And then after that, I got right back to focusing on lunch and kind of made this little mock pico de gallo. I guess not really, but I just did two types of onions, so green onions, red onions, and tomatoes. And I wanted to put that inside and outside because look at our delicious pork. It just blows my mind that the mushroom meat can turn into this. It's really just awesome. And so what I do is I go ahead and throw some barbecue sauce on it to give it that kind of obviously barbecue feel. You could just eat it completely dry if you wanted. It'd be great in like a stir fry or something. But I really wanted to give it that extra oomph. And it's just gorgeous. And so what I decided to do was make a quesadilla. So I just took a tortilla. I don't have any vegan shreds on hand right now, so I just ended up using the Daya slices and then topped that with the meat. And then because I put pickles on everything, put pickles and then some of that pico and a little bit more cheese. I really just wanted that whole kind of like pulled pork sandwich feel, but in a quesadilla. This was just totally awesome. It was everything. It was sour, sweet, smoky, I served it with, a kind of like a mock sour cream, like mayo and cream cheese mixed together, and it was just everything just complements itself so well. And it's not your typical Mexican quesadilla, which is, I like something a little different. So for dinner, I went with what has become now a staple for me. I posted this recipe on Instagram and people really loved it. So it just starts with cutting up some eggplant or whatever vegetable you have, kind of par cooking it, then throwing in a can of chickpeas, some fire roasted tomatoes, then some garlic and onion powder, and marinara. And then if you want to make it Mediterranean, you add in the olives and artichokes, and it is just mind-blowingly good. And it really highlights the vegetables, which I like. You know what's great about this dinner? It can be made so quickly, and you can really interchange the vegetables. What I initially had posted on Instagram used zucchini in place of the eggplant, but really, I gotta say, nothing's really missing with the eggplant because it's got that same kind of mushy texture, softer texture. You get the heat from the pepper. You get the kind of, not acidity, but that salty tang from the olives and a little bit kind of from the artichokes. And that works well with the acidity of the tomatoes. And then the chickpeas are there to just be in place of your pasta. So they give you that starchy feel to kind of mellow out the acidity, which is great. And honestly, what can be better than a dinner that was put together in under 15 minutes? Nothing beats that. It's awesome. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if there's any specific recipes down below that you'd like me to try in the comments. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when new videos go up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.